Hello students, welcome back. Class 11, class 12. Today I am discussing our chart topic. Okay. So today because I want to show how to create practically charts. Okay, with the help of pandas. So you can see, first you can see line chart. Okay, in your maths you already created line chart. So what is line chart in simple mathematics? So you can see a line chart or line graph is a type of chart which display information as a series of data points. Okay, you can see this is series data point. This you can see data points, and we can say markers. We can say markers. Okay, then each marker we can connected each other. Okay, by a straight line segment. Okay, but in Python, suppose you want to create this kind of line chart. So Python provide a function, plot function. When you use plot function, it will give you line chart, but plot function have a basic structure. Okay, with the help of this function you need x-axis data, y-axis data, color, marker size, marker edge color, line style and line width. Okay, but the x-axis and y-axis column is compulsory, other thing optional, we can use as per our requirement, as per our design. Okay student, you can see, suppose here I am giving very simple example. Okay, suppose month sales, in Jan month sales is 5, in Feb month sales is 4, in March 6, April. Okay, this is our data, but I want to store this data in a Python language with the help of data frame concept, and then we can use matplot library and convert this data into a picture form, or in this picture form we can say line chart. Okay, so this is our final output, but to get this output, what is the coding? This is the coding. Okay, you can see this is our coding. I want to set this page. Okay, okay, so this is our coding. You can see, first import pandas spd. Okay, because I want to create a data frame. Then you want to create import matplotlib splt. Okay, so for this purpose we can use this thing. Okay, so first of all we store this data in a data frame. Okay, so we must use x is equal to pd.dataframe, month. Okay, these are our months, these are our sales. I am using a dictionary of concept, a dictionary of list concept, we know very well, but I want to create a line chart. So here I am using, the first thing you keep in mind, import matplotlib.pyplot splt. This line is very important to create a line chart. Okay, so first thing is plt.plot. Okay, because plt library object, and in this object we want to create a line chart, so we can use plot method. In bracket, first we need ox axis column. So here I am using x month. Okay, because this is our data frame, I want to access first this column, so we can access column x month. Okay, then oy axis I want to display sales, so I want to access sales column x sales. Okay, but I want to use this line color is green, so color is equal to green. Okay, so this command is important. Okay, this command will decide in ox axis month name, in oy axis sales, and color of line is green. Other thing we can use plt title. Okay, line chart month wise sales of 2016, we can give a proper title. You can see line chart month wise sales of 2020. Okay, we can give title, we must give title. Then X label and Y label. X label we can see month. Okay, so simple we can use month. This is very simple thing. And in OY you can decide sales. Okay, so title, X label, Y label we can use each and every chart. But here plt.plot is important. Okay, now legend. Legend means this thing, because here are lines, the purpose of line show sales, so we can say legend. So legend we can use sales values. Okay, location means this legend will appear best location. Okay, because this is the right place, and denote this line show sales value. So this line, and after showing this chart I want to save this chart, so we can use save fig function. Okay, so title, X label, Y label, legend, and save fig function. And in D drive a file will create line chart.pdf, and in this file you can see this chart also, so we can also save this chart. So save fig command will remember, and we can decide the location and file name in advance, so this file will save. Finally we can use plt.show. Okay, then it will display this chart, then it will display this chart on our output. To our output you can see. Okay students, so this is very simple thing. First we store this data in data frame. Okay, after then we select particular column, we know very well X dot month, X dot sales. Then we can use title, label, legend, and save figure and plt. So this is comment. So you can same code you can copy and paste. Okay, same code you can copy and paste, same code. But I want to design this line chart. Okay, because our other parameter color, marker size we can use and enjoy this chart very much. Okay, so last time X month and color we already used, but here I am using marker X. So here you can see marker X, you can see. Okay, any marker you can use, but marker is equal to X. Marker size is 15. You can see this is a big marker size. Okay, here cross is very big, because here I am mentioning 15. Marker edge color blue, the border of this marker you can see blue color. Okay, so we can also use marker edge color parameter. Line style dash dot, you can see the straight line dash dot. Okay, so we can also use this. And line width is 5, so the line width you can see very thick. Okay, so 5. So we can use marker size, marker edge color, so we can formatting our chart. And other thing as it is, you can see nothing to change. Okay, same thing. Okay, here I am using marker, so we can use another symbol. Okay, you can use small x, big X, plus, D, O. Okay, instead of cross symbol. Here line style, solid, dash dot, dotted or dashed, you can replace this. Okay, dash dot, so it will give the output. Okay students, but I want to improve this chart, but in multiple columns. Okay, so it is also possible, we can compare. Okay, so here I am adding one more column. Month we already know, sales we already know, but sales too is a new thing. Okay, so different companies have different sales in a particular month. So sales too, this is our new column, but in a one chart I want to show. Simple thing, we can create import pandas, data frame. Here one thing, sales to column you can add, no problem. Here plt.plot. Okay, for our month, because month is common, you keep month is common, so month and sales one. Okay, so you can see month, and the first it will plot sales one data, only sales one data. plt.plot again we can write, because in a one chart we have two things, month and sales one and month and sales two. So month is common, so we can again use plt.plot x month, but here we must use sales two. Okay, so it will sales two data you can see. Color we can use blue. Okay, so two times we can use plot in a one chart. we can use cells 3. So plt dot plot x month x cells 3. Okay, so we can, this is a new thing, but other thing we as it is, we nothing change. Line chart title we can use x label, you can use x label for OX axis, y label legend we can use cells 1 and cells 2. Okay, because you can see this is our legend. Here blue line show cells 2 data and green line show cells 1 data. So this chart is our more meaningful, easy to understand. Okay, so title, x label, y label, legend and save figure you always use in every chart. This is a common function. Okay, so it will give proper titling, okay, and more meaningful. Okay, and you can save this chart in advance. Okay, so you simple use save figure in D drive, file name in advance, line chart.pdf, and finally you must use plt.show. Okay, after executing this code, first it stores this data in data frame X, then we access particular column name in our chart. Here plt.plot is important because it will create the line chart, because month is common, so we can use 2 times, and this thing is different, cells 1, okay, and cells 2, and we can also use marker as color in this code. Okay, and this code will create this chart. So Python provide this coding to achieve this line chart. Okay students, thank you so much. Today I am discussing about line chart. Okay, hope you enjoy this thing because chart is a very interesting topic. Okay, thank you so much.